Hello everyone. Let's learn about AS13. This is about investment in shares. So let's study. If you do multiple purchase from a company and of the same shares, and after some time if you sell some quantity of shares, then how you will calculate profit earned or loss suffered. So let's take an example of Infosys company. So what you did, you went to Infosys company and you purchased 50 shares at the rate of 1680 per share. So first of all, find out how much money you have paid. So purchase price. On which date we have done this transaction? The date was 15th June. So on 15th June, I have purchased 50 shares at the rate of 1680 each share. So how much we paid to the company? Let's find out. So we paid 84,000 to the company when we purchased 50 shares. Now on 1st July, we again bought some shares from the Infosys company at the rate of 1,705 per share. So let's write down 1st July. On 1st July, we again done a transaction and we purchased some shares again. And now we want to find out how much we paid to the company. So let's check how many shares we have purchased this time. We have purchased 45 shares and the price of one share is 1,705. So how much we paid to the company this time? This time we paid 76,725 to the company. So let's find out how much investment till now we have done in the shares. So this much investment, total investment we have done till now. Now what happened on, see, on 20th July, we sold some shares. How many shares we have sold? 20 at the rate of 1,685 each share. So let's write down on 20th July, we made a sale transaction. So we can write sale here. How many shares we have sold? We have sold 20 shares at the rate of 1,685 per share. So how much income we generated, how much money we received. If I sell some share, then I will get the money. So how much money I have received, let's find out. See, I got 33,700 when I sold these shares. Now I want to find out how much profit did I earn. Did I earn any profit or I suffered any loss? So first of all, we have to find out the cost of 20 share that we have sold. Now how to find out the cost of 20 share? First we find out the cost of one share using the method of weighted average. How we will calculate? See, till now we have purchased 95 shares. See, 50 plus 45, 95 shares we have purchased, and this much amount we have given to Infosys company, 1,60,725. So if I divide these both, I will get the price of one share. So the price of one share is 1,691.84. So this is the price per share according to the weighted average cost method. Now I sold 20 shares. So first of all, I want to find out the purchase cost of these 20 shares. So I will multiply 20 with the cost price of one share. So let's find out how much is the cost of 20 shares. Okay, so this is 33,836.8. So now you can check, this is the cost price of 20 share and this is the selling price of 20 share. Now you can compare, the selling price is lesser than the cost price. So obviously we suffered the loss. Now we can calculate the how much loss we have earned. or how much loss we have suffered. So we have to subtract 33,700 and 33,836. So 136 rupees and 8 paisa. This is the loss we suffered when we sold 20 shares of Infosys company. So likewise, you can calculate the profit earned or loss suffered when you are doing multiple purchases of shares from a company.